look out and see the world. It takes everything we have to face it. Without a sound, we take a step. Inside our hearts are racing. If it takes forever, we'll get there together.
Hey guys, it's Sayadi, Chrissy and
Gabi, hello. Welcome to our channel.
This is our first vlog and it's in the snow. Today we are celebrating Sarah's birthday. Sarah behind the camera, say something.
Hey.
Yeah man, she turned 20 today. Can you imagine?
So guys.
Yeah, and we here in the cold, it's about 1 degree minus.
Yeah, and look at the snow. Show them,
Yeah,
Sarah.
imagine. Just a few minutes from Frankfurt also, and we have snow.
Well, it's more than a few minutes.
Come on. So guys, can you believe that for 7 years we did not know this place exists? Okay, we knew that it exists.
Yeah, but we never believe it.
We did not expect it was
here.
this crazy. We thought, okay, a bit of snow on the hilltop, but
Right, there's no view because it's snowing.
and you know, like I saw one of my friends post a picture of her up here, and I'm like, where are you? Are you at Finland or something? She
Right.
said, no, just a few minutes from Frankfurt. So that's how we ended up here.
Right, and we did plan to make a snowman, but I think we can forget about that because I'm cold.
No, we're gonna make that snowman. I
No,
will
we
make
don't.
the snowman.
You
for
gonna
you.
make a snowman, I don't.
Proceed with it.
Yeah.
Mommy, don't feel a snowman. Mommy, I can't catch me.
Don't. Not in my face.
Wow.
Yeah, that's people.
That's alright. People still there, do.
No.
Ja, ja, so ein bisschen Schnee.
Ja.
Guck, der ist nicht tief. Das ist nur bis...
Hier ist ein bisschen was.
Ja, dann hau rein.
So, Sarah.
Christa macht einen Schneemann. 3 Jahre später.
Let's give me the handshoe.
Hey, you put your money, there can you go on again, not bad luck.
I don't know if I put it. Jesus Christ, me give up. Whew. Sorry.
You're not even starting and give up.
Oh God, I feel like it will cut me. Give me the handshoe, them, Sarah.
But then I gotta get wet.
Okay, that before, we did warn you, because that's not just need special handschuhe für das wasserfest Dings.
Yeah, because then I gotta get wet. You're not even
So we have to teach somebody snowman for you.
Wir können ja die Flagge, hast du die mit? Einmal hochhalten.
Go and do it. Continue.
Okay, we have a better idea.
Go live on the flag now, man. They flag dir.
Bag. Yeah. Guys, it's way too cold. I'm gonna have enough handshoes. So I take off my hands. Why?
Auf, aua.
Yeah.
Stick out the flag, we can't touch nothing.
How much things my feet don't jump? Not even the flag I can't take off.
You have to come back.
Das hier gibt es da halt mal.
Oh God.
Ah,
Yeah.
da tut sich was. Warte mal. Ich will noch backen.
Just build a mini one and look how tiny one.
No, me got teeth for snowman. Guys, we got teeth for snowman.
You can't tell them so you're gonna do that. You have to make it seem like I want a belly.
Von Bullis. Ja. You just let me go, so I'm verfall. Hey guys. Whenever that's to pick me back.
You have another frame?
Yeah, I'm supposed to take a big picture or what?
Well, this.
And you can't.
But then I don't see you back away, no so? Come
No.
over more, mommy.
I'm supposed to take a picture or video.
Filming.
I saw.
Film and then we take a picture.
Yeah, man, Jamaica all the way.
I know if you separate a little bit so they can see the flag.
Jamaica.
Mommy, go over a little.
Jesus.
Go over a little so they can see the flag better. Like when I hold it so, yeah, that better. Yeah.
Jamaica. So what the national anthem now, Crystal?
Eternal Father, bless us.
Guide us with your mighty hand.
Turn around now.
Keep us free from evil powers.
No, it's not blue. What do you feel it blue?
Through our leaders.
Great defenders ran through wisdom from above. Justice truly has Jamaica, boom. Jamaica, boom. Jamaica, Jamaica.
Everybody that was mad.
Happy birthday to you.
Jeez.
We can't say a video, man.
Just cheese now.
Happy birthday.
The quality is so bad.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Wait, it's screen foggy. I just saw you clean though.
I don't know what I do.
No, I think you're right. But it look a bit foggy.
I think it's just foggy in general.
Alright then.
Mommy, coming out the frame now? I say, Miss Charlie just a schlepping on the floor.
Oh shit. Wait, I'm gonna put you on good then.
Ein Vlog werden, ne?
Ich hab gefrorene Füße in Englisch, frozen feet, frozen nose.
Guys, I just tried to build a snowman, it did not work.
Yeah, it's not enough
My
snow.
hands
We
are
need
so
more snow.
red. No, I think we just don't have the right hand
But make
shoes.
it colorful, ja. Es sieht nur so gut aus.
So we're gonna try tea for Christmas. Snowman.
Ja, von wo denn?
We did see some over there, so come.
Do you know see no snowman? Which part is yours? I like that.
Yeah, that's the one. Huh? I don't know. Think it did up more.
Up more or down more?
Up.
Ja, ne?
Es ist nicht so einfach zu vloggen und die Schritte ein Stück zu laufen. So, now talk to the camera.
Bag. You tell you? I hope nobody know there will make it.
Ich darf mir mal sein. Oh Gott.
So guys, we bought our stuff that we
Der
wanted
put
to
tea
put.
for a snowman. Watch it.
Don't blow up in my camera and Sarah, then can't hear her. I breathe heavy. Wait. Cock, carrot. carrot. The cat them gone.
The carrot.
Yeah. No, me look for the cat then.
I bet she not done before we.
This is the snowman people.
You eat the carrot.
No, not the carrot. Open back.
Me turn it off, honey.
We are looking for the snowman details. Okay, one carrot. How's the carrot?
Oh my god!
My grandpa. What is it?
Not in there.
I don't see nothing.
I'm gonna do lefty.
Whatever, can you see already one carrot already in there? 2 carrots. That cannot.
Sorry.
But yeah, Blackie Crystal, you forgot to the side.
Can't get upgraded nose.
I swear you're fine.
The carrot be
I
fine.
mean, upgrade it. I can't back that for Hazi.
How long?
I took. Hazi last carrot.
No, the next week.
It's tough, you know? It's not too long.
No, I come like Pinocchio.
Komm in dein Frame, Mami.
Ja, ich muss ja alles festhalten. Ich kann kommen auch noch für Lass dich doch alles festhalten hier.
Also verholen. Ja.
So, jetzt?
Now we go put on the shawl. Oh, me find one I caught them. It did stuck on
The 2 of them in there. The next one in there too.
Ja, you will push me for man.
I'm here to go to bag in and look for.
Oh, my not net not drop out the millions. I need a turnover. Yay! Jamaican snowman.
You know what's too long?
Nah.
Ah. So, a carrot to go in here. Oh.
Alright.
Right now, I'll fix it up then.
Yay! Jamaican snowman. Hey.
It does not look too long. Oh, God.
I look alright.
Uh-oh. Oopsie.
You kill this snowman and Jesus, now him with one eye. I laugh if you push him over. You have a mustache.
You don't want no more.
You don't have no lipstick, Sarah.
Yeah, I have.
Did that work?
Nah.
You know my foot and my freeze.
Mine too, I can't do a film too.
Oh, it has still.
Crystal, you're Blackie.
Yeah, stay go fast before your mouth gone. Yeah.
The Jamaican snowman.
So, Crystal make a
Well,
quick,
it's straight. Well, it's
a
straight.
quick snowman.
Well, it's straight now.
Straight.
We not in the middle of him.
No. Mommy, I have to go over a little bit to the.
Ah, you want to kill me?
Go a little bit more. Get.
You don't need that as fast.
Sorry, I can put you over my shoulder, please.
1
I
second.
can't.
Yeah.
In the middle.
You get
Kinda, mommy could have go over a little bit more, but.
One over more, Mommy. Look a bit.
go way over. So over.
Yeah.
Up high. You don't see me high.
Yeah, lift it a little bit higher. Alright, Crystal, you have to go over a little. Or mommy, you can.
Come back, look at Mommy.
Yeah. Now you go over, Crystal, a little. No, yeah. Push it up a little higher. Or the lower better, then I can see everything. Put down for your part lower too, mommy. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Guys, we made a Jamaican snowman.
Yeah.
Everybody watch me.
I could say teeth one.
Oh,
And lucky we will find that one here.
God. We just add the carrot, the ice, and
But he had them
scarf.
lean.
Then can't tell?
Well, he must see a
See, that
Cassie
don't
like me.
matter. Nobody not perfect.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh God, now this one I want to go back.
Hey, girl, whatever, no matter.
So Sarah, take a picture now.
Alright.
Ready? So guys, we made it through.
Yes.
We're freezing cold now.
Look at my hands.
The whole the whole making the snowman thing never worked out with the teeth one.
Yeah.
But we just still managed to decorate him.
Yeah, and we are singing Jamaican anthem, what you
Yeah.
can call singing.
We're so shocked. Like you can't even sit on the whole place foggy right now. It's crazy.
And it's still snowing. Can you imagine?
Yeah, man, this is in Frankfurt.
A real snow.
I never know about this. The way I'm life down here. I think I would have just looked at snow up here or something, you know. But I thought would have on my hill.
But yeah, and just almost 900-meter high and already has snow, imagine. Because a real mountain are much higher than this anyway, but
Oh God, we can't believe. This is definitely an experience.
You have to tell me if me broke up in or nothing, you know.
So all
not
that
yet.
work up with that.
oh yeah man. So that was Sarah's birthday, girl.
Yeah, she all walk back way for way. Guys,
Dedication.
like up the video. For
Yeah,
the
man.
camera woman.
Camera woman a freeze too.
Sarah, how was your birthday?
It was good.
You
You
liked
enjoy
it?
the snow?
Yeah.
That's good, that's good.
You know, my son don't see no much of my glass deficit.
My glasses are packed up. Alright, take time back to Sarah. Somebody come back at you. Alright, Sarah, turn around. Hey guys, we made it back home finally.
Yeah, finally we back into the warmness of the home together.
And
We did
it's,
make it, but it was really awesome. Snow, so enough like I'm not see for a long time.
it's so funny because I got like cold when I was in the train coming back home and like on our way back home where there was no more
Right.
snow. That's when I got cold, but up there I was not cold. I was so happy with adrenaline
Yeah,
rush.
she was so excited. She did see snow. Right.
No, I've never seen that much snow since a long time.
True.
Like,
Yeah, but we had a great day and Sarah hopefully had a nice birthday. I hope she did enjoy her birthday.
yeah, we got some takeout food now, some Indian food.
Yeah, so now we go warm up our cold feet.
Yeah, eat
And
and then
I hope you too enjoy your evening or your day. Please remember, subscribe, share,
like, comment down below.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, thanks for all your support and stuff. We really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you all. Peace.
Bye.
We're ready for anything. We're ready for anything. So as we run into the sun, sometimes I know we're gonna fall down. Hold my hand and we'll get up. I know we're gonna make it somehow.